I have a dewalt with tile saw 24,000 and it won't turn on anymore. No light on the plug itself. It came on briefly and then off again. I reset the GFCI button on the plug and nothing. Any clue?
Hello and thank you for using this service. It was very common for the GFI plug on the unit to go bad itself. If you take the unit apart, you can test for power on the output of the GFI plug assembly to the unit. If you do not have 120 volts out of the plug, then replace. This would be the most likely issue for the problem you are having. Here is a link to the part and one to the parts breakdown. Part number 252 is the plug. Click here breakdown. All I ask is that you rate my assistance in the top 3. Thanks.
Hello, you there?
Yes, did you get my answer?
Oh, there you are. Yes, I got your answer. Is there a distributor in San Jose that I can just pick up the part?
No, I could not find anyone in San Jose, only online. If you needed to try it to get by, you could cut the cord off and splice on a regular one and plug it into a GFI outlet. I am not recommending doing this as it is not safe, but since it is Saturday, I figure you are doing some tiling.
Okay, thank you for your help. I'm going to rate you excellent.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.